Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install terminology on a Chromebook. But first, if you like software tutorials where I show you how to install software on Chromebook and on Windows and how to set it up, and also programming tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the video. The first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here and we'll find our settings. You can either search for the settings or find the icon. I'm going to click on the settings here. And on the left hand side, I'm going to go down here to this advanced tab and I'm going to click on that to expand. And then I'm going to click on developers. From here, we can turn on the Linux development environment. I'm going to click turn on and we have this wizard that will guide us through the setup. I'm going to click next. It's going to give me a username based off my email. If you want to change that now. I don't think you can change that later on. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to leave both as is and click install. That's going to take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt get dist upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. This will take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Now that the Linux development environment is enabled and updated, we can install terminology. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt get install terminology and hit enter. I'll confirm use of the additional space by pressing Y and enter. Okay, once that is run through, I'm going to click on my launcher here and I can see the icon for terminology. I could also click here and find it in my Linux apps or search for it here. I'm going to right click and pin to the shelf and then click to open. It's going to have me drag the scale here. I can drag it and make it different sizes. Let's do 1.5 for the video. Click done. And we can expand this and start working in terminology. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, could you please give it a like? Thank you.